Market participants focus on new jitters between the United States and Iran. Escalating geopolitical tensions in the Middle East subdued the risk appetite and aroused cautious sentiment among investors. The US dollar has not benefited as a safe haven asset yet, as traders prefer to wait until the US Department of Labor releases the first non-farm payrolls this year. The new conflict between the United States and Iran is dominating the headlines. Iran wanted to retaliate for assassination of its top commander as a result of US airstrikes, and Donald Trump threatened to strike back in a disproportionate manner. However, this week the House of Representatives will vote on a resolution to restrict President Trump's authority to use military force against Iran. In early deals today, the US dollar index made efforts to recover, but in the New York trade has been trading firmly lower. The index opened the North American trade at 96.30, having shed 0.22% against its rival currencies. The US dollar has been wound down by a dismal US manufacturing PMI for December, which slumped to the worst level in 11 years. Moreover, US factories have been reporting a decline in employment for 5 months in a row. Now traders are speculating on this course in the first report on the US labor market. Analysts predict contraction in the number of employed people in December, following a solid increase in November. On the whole, traders do not voice concern about the US economy. Last Friday, traders got to know the minutes of the Fed's latest policy meeting. The central bank's officials gave a positive outlook for the national economy. They believe the recession fears are fading. It means that interest rates will be put on hold for a while. The Canadian dollar is trading at the level around 1.2970 versus its American rival. The USDCAD pair seems to have got stuck in a trading range between support of 1.2969 and resistance of 1.3021. So the most probable scenario is a further downtrend. Today, traders speculating on the loonie are evaluating data from Canada. A producer price index rebounded 0.1% in November after a flat reading in October. The PPI came in at minus 0.4% in annual terms. Besides, traders took notice of the US Financial Services PMI. The nearest trading days are going to be more turbulent amid waning investors' confidence. The main cause for concern remains geopolitical tensions between the United States and Iran. Besides, forecasts for the US employment do not inspire optimism. You are watching Forex Market News on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stichina. We wish you profitable deals with InstaForex.